Bonjour. It's always good to greet you and slow down, taking that deep breath. What's truly good for me is good for you and vice versa. If you're watching this, you're interested in raising the vibration on planet Earth. You're interested in kids growing up with clean water in a safe environment, in a good loving home with a roof over their head, etc. Somebody once said that we're not unhappy because of the love we didn't receive, but we're unhappy because of the love that we're not giving. Yeah, I think it's important for us to absorb that. Every time we contract and close our hearts, we hurt ourselves. We think that somehow if we close ourselves down, that's going to make the situation better. It doesn't. It just makes it worse. And it is what it is. And we do it all the time. We expand and we contract, but we can actually learn how to be the first to love, to take the risk to love no matter what anybody else says or does, because it feels so good to love and appreciate just for its own sake. And as I deepen my relationship with the natural world, as I feel the spirit that moves through all things, and as I've said, there's no things, it's just one spirit. As I come more and more into that realization of, the one infinite intelligence, the one infinite intelligence that creates all this beauty, all the stars, the ocean, the plants, the animals, the songs, creates all of it. The more in touch with that I'm in, then the more courageous I am, the more I risk loving, taking the risk to just tell people you love them and not really worry about their reaction or whatever anybody else thinks. And sometimes it means not telling anybody you love them, but digging in deeper where that love lies to see people differently without judgment. The same way we look at the trees, we don't judge trees, they're just trees. And people are as different as each tree, but at the core, innocent, beautiful. We share being with them. I want to repeat that. We share being with other human beings and with trees and mountains and rivers and flowers. So when I say, take that deep breath, I'm saying, let's breathe together. Let's breathe this shared being. This life-giving breath. and even breathe in a little of the sage and cleanse our energy field with that. We can do this, folks. It involves being really, really present and doing our best to keep our hearts open no matter what.